Thomas, Thomas, what is it? Thomas, look at Mama. What is it?
Just Thomas, leave it on the floor. I'll come get it. I'll come get it.
What is it, guys?
Put it on the floor.
What are they?
Oh, look this! Look what I got!
What is it?
Well, this was actually for Thomas.
What is it, Becca? Oh, it's a hand puzzle.
Look what I got!
Cool. Okay, Tommy, can you open it? What is it? Tommy. Oh, open it up. Open it up, Tommy. Thomas, look at Mama. Thomas, look at Mama go, oh! What is it, Thomas? Thomas, go, oh!
Oh, is it?
Thomas, look at Mama. In a minute, sweetie.
They're actually stilts. They're called stilts.
Thomas. What is it?
He doesn't change into a truck, but he stays a robot.
I like him if he's saying a robot. Oh, Thomas!
Thomas, what is it?
What is
There's some other stuff in there.
Thomas, say, oh!
They can't get it to it.
Thomas, say, oh! No, it doesn't go on your head. Well, actually, they do go on your head.
it?